Hello. Happy new year, my lovely viewers. If you're here, it means God has blessed you enough to see 2023. Now, we all know that this is the time that we all make New Year's resolution. Have you made yours? Have you started? Myself, I've just started making them, and I hope I'm not going to run out of bread in between. I just hope I'm going to do it all through. Anyway, my name is Tshie. For those who are watching me for the first time, I teach you how to decorate your home, how to make it more appealing, how to make it more comfy and enjoy your living space. If you'll be interested in that kind of a thing, then this is the place to be. So please stick around, let's learn together. Now, let's go back to what we were talking about. We were talking about New Year's resolution. We all get started just as today. Beginning of a new month, beginning of a new year, 2023. So, as we usher in our new year, we get started with our pen and paper and start making the do's and don'ts. We start making, but if you look at it, it's more of do's. But we fail to understand that the don'ts are actually that pulls us down. Anyway, what I'm trying to say is when you make your New Year's resolution, make them realistic. Don't try to say, next month I'm going to climb Mount Kilimanjaro, and you've not even started on some just minor exercises. Make a plan. Just make it work. Okay, my dear people. In this channel, we talk about decorating your space, making your home look more comfy, more cozy. In the past few videos that I have done with you guys, I've taught you how to decorate your space with pillow accents, with flowers, and also your bedrooms, how to use pillows the right way, and the amount of pillows you're going to make. So we're going to continue doing these, and our next video will be in the kitchen. We are going to get in the kitchen and teach you how we can make it more lively, how we're going to be more happier in that little space where we make our food. But in case you want any other room, any other space that you're not sure what you're supposed to add, what you're supposed to remove, you can holler. Let me know and you're going to cover that. Otherwise, if this is the kind of thing that you like, this is the place to be. Please make sure that you subscribe. If you've been watching my videos and you've not subscribed, please do subscribe. Do share the video and also hit the notification bell so that you never miss any upload that I do make. It's all about enlightening you. It's all about helping you. So please make sure that you do that. In future, if you want any other thing other than what I teach you, you can always holler. I'm very open and I'm very helpful. I mean, the channel is all about that. And I'm ready to listen to my viewers, to you, my friend, because without you, this place wouldn't happen. Then, on another note, I'm going to give you just a small piece of advice. We do know that holidays are over. Christmas is over. But did you know that this is the best time for you to buy the Christmas products? Yes, you had me right. It's just the end of Christmas. The sellers, what are they going to do with those products? Do you really think they're going to keep them for the next 12 months? No. What they're going to do, they're going to give them marked up sale off. They're going to give them a very huge marginal sell off. So take advantage. This is the best time for you to go shopping. And it also happens to any other products. any other, whenever the season is over, always take advantage of that. Always be on the lookout. That's what I always do. For example, if you look at the coffee jar, at a cookie jar behind me, that cookie jar, I bought it 90% of its original price. And if someone comes and find it over there, maybe they'll think of the actual price that is currently over there, because most people, we go shopping for the items just few days. We try to run against the deadline, just few days before Christmas or before any occasion that we have. That also happens with the bunnies. We do have those kickstand bunnies, planters, bunnies, any other season. I'm not just specific about Easter, but any other holiday. If you are a seasonal person and you love the holidays and you like to decorate with all these kind of things, these are the things that you should be on the lookout. Always ensure that you buy them just after the season. Looking forward for the next season. That's a secret, my friend. So, have you spotted something out there that you thought it would look wow in your house, but you could not afford it? Why don't you go right back? Go and check. Because now we're in January, December is over. Why don't you go back and find out what is the price? Maybe some of them will not display them since the holiday is over, but you can always ask a sales staff. Ask them, what do you do with your holiday stuff? What do you do with your holiday products that remain? Because they won't sell all of them. You can always inquire, and if you find someone nice, they're going to tell you. Some of them, they even do a warehouse sale. They will let you know, but unfortunately they don't advertise it to all their clients. But if you're interested, you can find about it. That's the way to go, my friend. Otherwise, hope to see you more as we do many more. We are loaded with lots and lots of videos to show you, my friend, just to show you how you can live in a beautiful space and appreciate it. So if you're ready for this, make sure that is still locked over here. Otherwise, I hope and pray that you have a lovely year ahead, 2023. Make it prosperous. Pray for it, plan for it, and it's going to be good. So, see you, my friend, and love you. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you, and I love you, my people. Take care.